Hi, Ron1 here in the Little Weird Shop for Dumbo Bros World. And today, I'm going to take my FNX Tactical that I've had for, oh gosh, I don't know, 4 or 5 years now, maybe? And just do a little upgrades to it. I've never done anything to it. Shot it, maybe not even a lot, maybe 150 rounds is it? And, but today, I'm going through a period where you're going to see a lot of upgrades to my guns. I'm kind of go through periods where instead of buying a gun, I do some stuff to fix it up and kind of personalize my gun. So I've got a whole series I'm going to do to different guns. This one, what I'm going to do to this is, I got this Olight, I believe it's a 1200 lumen pistol light, and I got it on the introductory offer. I think they only made 1,500 of this color on the introductory offer. It's the Olight Valkyrie PL2. And it's in this, they call it flat dark earth, I believe, but it's a really beautiful kind of bronze. And it pretty much matches this plastic on this gun. So it's going to make a great weapon light for this. And believe it or not, in that introductory offer, which only went on for about a week, until they sold out to 1,500, it was like 83 bucks, and that included shipping. 1,200 lumens and has a strobe. Unfreaking believable. So, we're going to put that on, and we're going to put a Vortex Venom red dot on there. So, that ought to be interesting. Boy, this is a tiny thing, this Vortex Venom. It's a 3 MOA red dot, very small, very light. That should look cool on there with those two upgrades. So let's get busy, huh? All right. So I'm gonna go line up my Allen wrench I need for here. I don't need anything for this, so I'll go get my Allen wrench, get everything ready, and then we'll get into it. Yeah. Well, the first thing we're gonna start with is the Olight here. This should be pretty easy. Got a little lever here, and should go right on this rail. Ooh, and we'll clamp it on there. Oh my God, that is beautiful! Holy crapple! Hey, hey! Wow! Man. So got the little button on each side here. You just push it in for the light. Push the release. If you want to just flash it, you just hold it in and then it'll go off. Or for the strobe, you push them both in at the same time and you can strobe it out. I'll tell you, that color couldn't have been more perfect for this gun. Wow! Okay, now for the Vortex. Got to take this plate out of here and take it from there. Alrighty. Man, tell me that color on that light isn't fantastic. This wasn't just made for that gun. Holy smokes. Beautiful. Alright, got my wrenches. So, take this plate out of here. Then this gun came with several plates to go underneath for red dots. I'm not sure if you have to have the plate or not, but let's we'll find out here. 2 screws with kind of, there we go. And there's the plate off. Screws. Now, here is the, that goes to the front, so that's not right. Let's see. Hopefully this red dot goes on this thing, works. Somebody said you don't even need the plate, that it just, oh yeah, that's true. Let's try that. Yeah, they got some Loctite in there, so it's, that one went in, this one's not wanting. There. Ow! I sure changed this gun, let me tell you. And this has got the high sights on it to put a suppressor on, and it works good. Goes right through the glass of that red dot, but yet doesn't get in the way of the red dot. Almost co-witnesses, so there she is. Let's zoom in and get a better look at that baby. Okay, there it is. Got the Olight Valkyrie PL2 on that thing, and the bronze color that looks fantastic with that gun, and a Vortex Venom 3 MOA red dot mounted on there, looking pretty good. Woo! If I wouldn't bang the tripod here. One last shot in the hand. Eat your heart out, Stemsicle. You know who you are. Alright guys, I'll check you later. Look for my next pistol upgrade.